to make the summer layered pudding, actually this is a summertime. So when we say summertime, of course we need something really, really nice to go on the summertime. Like you're going to keep this in the fridge and eat it whenever you want, and you will find it so nice to say, oh, we had a good summer mixed layered pudding. Like, so we will see what we are going to do now. Actually, we need milk, sugar, then we need corn flour for this, egg, stiffly beaten egg we need, and I am going to use 2 different kinds of biscuits also. So we will see how we are going to make this and whether it's going to be nice or delicious. Now what I am going to do is I have taken milk, and first thing I will do, use half of it, and I kept a little because I am going to put the corn flour, and the rest of it I have to use. I put 4 cups of milk only I am using, 40 cups of milk. So we will have to use 4 dessert spoons of corn flour. So we will slowly add the corn flour. It's easy when the corn flour is diluted. Sugar also I am going to use 60 grams of sugar. 2 egg yolks. Egg yolks, 2 I am using. Mix it nicely. I put the corn flour, sugar, egg yolk. One more thing I have to use here. The other one is roughly about 2 dessert spoons of butter. So now what I am doing is putting all these together. We are going to cook this. 4 cups of fresh milk only I am using. This time it's only fresh milk, so we will use the fresh milk here, and you can see I put 60 grams of sugar. It all depends on you, whether you like to use more sugar or not. If you want up to 90 grams I can put. I don't want that to get very thick also, so we will slightly mix it well like this. See how it has come. Now I will take off the cooker and keep it for a little while because I am going to beat the egg whites. So we will see what we are going to do now. It has got thickened nicely, the mixture. I have kept the custard aside, let it be, and now we will beat the 2 egg whites. I have put 2 egg yolks there, so the 2 egg whites are here. So we will beat the 2 egg whites. Now the stiffly beaten egg whites I am using into the custard. Nicely mix it. We can either use stiffly beaten egg whites, or we can use a cup of whipping cream. That is left to you. While I was doing only, I'm just telling you, because while we do, we get more ideas. So now see. Now I am going to divide this into 2. The custard, which I have done, what I am doing really. Now we put the stiffly. Also, after that, we are making it for 1 portion. I am going to use chocolate biscuits. You can see these biscuits. Chocolate biscuits and white biscuits I have. I am using the chocolate biscuits for this. And mix it nicely. Along with that, with this biscuit, I am using chocolate essence, about half a teaspoon, a bit of vanilla essence. I prefer chocolate and vanilla together, so vanilla also I put. mix it well. While I am mixing, I got another idea. I thought I'll put a little cocoa also. That 1 teaspoon of cocoa also I put it. So that it will give a better color and it will give like a chocolatey effect. Let it be. Now I am going to do the balance. Now the next portion is going to be white biscuits. I put the biscuits, just crushed, not powdered, just crush the biscuits, add it, and of course you can use whatever essence you like. I thought I will use, my favorite essence is pineapple, so I will use a little pineapple essence and a little bit of yellow coloring also I am going to use. Mix it together. Yellow coloring, pineapple essence I have put here. That's beautiful. Now I am going to layer it now. Now I will put the first one. That is the pineapple layer. We are putting pineapple. Flavor is there. And the biscuits, white biscuits are there. Yellow coloring is added. That's the main thing. I want to put a little bit of cashew nuts. Finely chopped cashew nuts. Layer is put. We added the chocolate biscuits, cocoa a little, a teaspoon, and chocolate essence, vanilla essence, all that we have put. So I hope you will prefer all that added into this mixture. Right, we can see how it looks now, both flavored biscuits coming into this custard. We have not finished yet. I am going to do a small decoration also. We will see that decoration. I want to just do a small decoration. To make the small decoration, I need a little warm water. Just warm water, hot water I need a little. So we will see how we are going to do this now. While the water is getting heated, you can see what I am going to do. I will take a little bit of, see, icing sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dessert spoons of icing sugar I put first. So I want to see when the water is hot. When the water is hot, what I am going to do is I will take this slowly add the hot water to the icing sugar. Right? There is no quantity as such. Just I took about 5 dessert spoons and I put about 2 teaspoons of hot water. We want to see what is happening here now. Another half I put. I want to see whether it can nicely get melted. Yeah. Right. So now what I am going to do is, now I am going to put that into the cone. We'll see whether we can do that, whether it's easy to do. I just put it into an oil paper cone only. I wanted to just see how I can manage with that. Yes. Just a small decoration. And we have some nice cherries. Glazed cherries are there. We will add the glazed cherries. Cashew nuts. Roasted cashew nuts, finely chopped, add that also. Now it is nice. You can see this now, how it comes. This is the summer layered, you can see, mixed layered pudding. Summer mixed layered pudding, you can serve any time of the day. And I said this is summertime, so you can have it after lunch, after dinner, tea time, or any time guests come also. If you have this pudding in your fridge, you can immediately give that and see how they enjoy it. So this is the way that you make this pudding with 2 types of biscuits and milk we have used. And of course, you will really enjoy by preparing these type of dishes. And I hope you enjoy all my desserts. Puddings, of course, you always tell you love all my puddings and cakes and all the rest of it. So like that, you will enjoy preparing. Please do prepare and see how it comes so that you will enjoy and you will let me know how you feel about it. And I like you to subscribe also and tell your friends to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can always watch my programs any time of the day. You don't have to wait for a time. You can watch any time, even midnight even you can watch. While you are preparing something, you can watch and do it so that you won't make a mistake. Right? Try it out and see and tell me how you feel about it. And next week with another episode, I'll come back with a bang so that you will enjoy all my recipes. Thank you for watching.